Hey there, if you're into collectibles and you have a sports card store and you're looking for a professional, affordable website, you're certainly in the right space. So keep watching this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to do exactly that on the Mighty Sites platform. If you aren't familiar with Mighty Sites yet, we created the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, an easy to update website for an affordable price of only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, sports card store. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's size a few basic details about our sports card store so we can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change this to retail and click on continue and let Mighty Site work its magic and create a simple website for my business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the various sports cards you have in store, maybe some amazing rare collectibles that are worth quite a lot of money, and you want to showcase them on your websites for all the sports enthusiasts, you can do that. It's super simple. Maybe you want to make one or two changes to that content as well. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. You don't need to know any sort of website coding or possess any web professional skills. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself. So let's go ahead and head to the top section, click on updates. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here. And I want to make sure that it is visible on my website for my customers to easily get in touch. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Great. Let's go pop that phone number in for our business over here. That is click to call. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location, my street address. When your website is live, your customers can click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links, pop in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom of your website. I'm now going to go ahead and update my logo to make my website look even more personalized and professional. If you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Logo has been uploaded. If you want to make any slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, add filters, zoom in, go ahead and click on that little pencil. Otherwise, click on save and you can make the logo bigger and smaller on the right under customize logo. If you want to change the colors used throughout your website, you can do so as well. No color coding needed. Click on that little paint bucket, go through the various color palettes available for you to use for your sports card store. Awesome. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on that update section button, head on over to update image, browse your device, otherwise search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. You can play around with the keywords a little bit and try various keywords and see what images pop up under there. Awesome. Under content, you can change the content that was pre-written to suit your business needs. Buttons can you can change the text on them as well as link them to various places like another website. Maybe you have an eBay store and you sell online as well. You can put the URL over here. Otherwise, an action and upload a PDF file, which is a great way to upload a catalog or a brochure about your business. Look at that, looks absolutely fantastic for my sports card store. And the last section over here is where you can put in your trading hours for your business. Click on update hours, pop them in over here. They will be displayed in the last section for your customers' convenience so they know your opening hours. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Click on this button over here. I already have a domain, so you can set it all up. If you don't have a domain yet, you want your website to look even more professional and trustworthy, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business, and really wishing you and your sports card store Marty success.